So it's finally here. I ordered this back in, I don't know, September, October, something like that. But it was a pre-order. Pretty cool Andy's Hobby exclusive. No, I don't know. I think it is. I'm not really sure. But anyway, it's here. It's an M7A3 BFIST Bradley Fire Support Team Vehicle. Nice little card from Andy. Thickened cat. My receipt. Hold on. Yeah, so back in September. Happy Hobby Days. Merry Christmas. Card. Nice little card. Andy's Hobbies card. It's a pretty awesome tank. I can't wait to get into it. I'm going to wait a bit to build this. So I don't want to. So it's from Magic Factory. I don't know if this was an Andy's only thing. I really don't know. But some QR codes, don't know what they are. Most of this is in, I guess, Japanese. That's where they're from. But yeah, when Andy came out with his prototype, like when he got his first first rendition of this, when they sent it to him, and then he took it out and was going through the box, I was like, wow, man, the detail on these is like really awesome. I can't wait to put it together. I forget what the type of model it is. Not like the way they make it, some certain way. But quite a bit of parts in here. Should take me a good while to put this together. This really isn't a unboxing, just a looks like there's plastic shreds, but some pretty awesome stuff. There's looks to be I don't know. I don't know what this big thing is. Maybe it's parts for the tank, but it's etched metal. Anyway, can't wait to put it together. Stay tuned. I don't know when. One day.